Welcome back, guys, to another episode of XanTech. Now, if you remember, on the last episode, I was testing out these fans, trying to get them in the right order to get them to work in the PC so that the LCD screens come up. Since that episode, I've had a few emails coming into me saying, how did I manage to test these outside of the case? The power supply unit won't work without a motherboard. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that in case you need to test some fans or something, or check that your power supply unit is working without the use of plugging the 24-pin connector into a motherboard. So in this step-by-step video, I will show you exactly how to do that. But first, here are all the items we will need. To start with, you're going to need the fans that you're testing. You're going to need an ATX power supply unit. You're going to need a 24-pin connector for the power supply unit if it doesn't come with one already attached like the older models. And last but not least, you're going to need either a paper clip or one of these wires. What you're going to need to do is connect the green power on wire with any of the black earth wires. Now, as you can see, some older power supply units have the wires all colored. The modern ones, they do not. So how do you know where is the green one and where is the earth? Well, I'll show you. If you hold up the 24-pin power connector so it faces you, make sure this clip is on the right-hand side, and then you count 4 wires down. 1, 2, 3, 4. That will be the green power on button. And then the one either above it or below it, we're going the one below it. So that'll be the 5th wire, are the ones that need to be connected. Okay, so now we know what's what. Let's put the wire in and get to testing. But before that, since we're working with electricity, make sure that the power supply unit is switched off and that it's not connected to the power at all. So take the plug completely out, switch it off, and then you can insert your wire or a paper clip. Okay, now we're ready to put the wire in. Remember, while this is facing you, make sure this clip here is on the right hand side. Then you take your wire and then 1, 2, 3, 4 and the one below it, so 4 and 5, you put your wire in and it will look something like this. Now that that is ready, you can go ahead and connect the fans and get ready to turn the power on. Okay, so here we are. Now that we have everything connected, if you follow the steps correctly, you should have your power supply unit, your ATX power supply unit, correctly shorted, connected to the power, connected to your fans, and we're ready for the moment of truth. Power on, and there you have it. That's how you can test your fans without a motherboard before you put them into your system. Well, there you go, guys. I hope that helped you out. That was how to test your fans on ATX power supply unit using nothing more than a paperclip. So until next week, guys, take care.